Is she on the video?
Yep.
Yay, Miss Walker. Good job. You bringing the ornament to Mom? Mwah. I'm sure I look lovely.
Can you show us the tree, Grace?
Go to the tree. Let's go to the tree. Okay, you gotta get your balance. There's our little walker. Yay!
Good job, sweetie.
Good job. Whoa!
Whoa, we did a turnaround. We did a U-turn.
Yay.
Good job, Bug.
Do you like that ornament? Say thank you to Jen Carroll. That came from Jen Carroll. Yeah, Miss Jen. You give it to Mom? You want to give it to Mom? No? Okay. You want to slam it on the floor? Okay. Can we download one so I can put it on Facebook?
Sure.
Put it on my Facebook page. Did you get her doing her turnaround?
Yep.
Awesome. Awesome. That was a crazy turnaround.